Hi, in this video we will see how to install and uninstall a package using Conda. So first we will get to know what is Conda. So Conda, it is an open source package management system. So actually what it does is like it supports Python language, not only Python language, C, C++, R, Ruby, Java, JavaScript and other languages and its packages too. Conda is suitable to run in different environments like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So once you are installing a package using Conda, so what actually it does is like it installs and it manages within the Conda Anaconda repository. So this is how it works. So if you want to install a package using a Conda, so what we have to do is like first we have to download and install Anaconda distribution. So in my system, I have already downloaded and installed Anaconda Python distribution. So just we will recheck it. So here you will be able to see Anaconda 3. So here already I have downloaded Anaconda Python distribution. So this is my Anaconda prompt, Jupyter Notebook and Spider, which is all related to my Anaconda Python distribution I do have. So now if you want to install a package in Anaconda using Conda, then what we have to do is like we need to click on this Anaconda prompt. So a similar prompt window like our normal command prompt, it will be opening. So here you will be able to say this is an Anaconda prompt. Here we can install a NumPy package. So NumPy is also a Python library which is used for scientific computing, working with arrays, n-dimensional arrays, everything. So we will install NumPy here. To install NumPy, let's check let's check whether we do have Python installed in this system and whether NumPy is already installed in this. So to check that, I'm just typing Python. If Python is installed, I will be getting the version of Python. If it is not installed, I will get an error. Since it is installed, I'm getting Python 3.8 version is installed. Now I can check whether NumPy is installed in this Anaconda prompt. To check that, I'm giving command import. I'm importing that NumPy in case if it is installed. NumPy as np. See, it is not able to import it. That's why module not found error we have got. So now exit and come out of this Python module. Now we can install this NumPy using a query conda install NumPy. Very simple. So here it's collecting the packages and it will look for an environment and then it will download the relevant packages to be installed. So here you will be able to see what are the packages it has installed. To proceed, we are giving yes. It's downloading and extracting the packages here. Yes, NumPy package got installed and it is successful. You are able to see downloading the extracting packages. The packages have been installed and it is verified also. So now we can cross check it whether NumPy has been successfully installed or not. So let me type Python, go to the Python environment. So here let's type again import NumPy. Let's import this package NumPy as np. See, now we are not getting the error. Previously we got an error, not module identified something. Next, we will check something like what is the version of this NumPy. np dot version. You'll be able to see this is the latest version 1.19.1. So that successfully we have installed a NumPy package using a Conda. So this is how it works. We can also uninstall the same package, NumPy package using Conda. So before that we will exit from Python. And to uninstall that, it's very simple. Before that we need to give the Conda keyword, Conda uninstall NumPy. This is how it works. Once you give enter, this particular NumPy will be uninstalled from the Conda repository itself. So it's collecting related packages, details, everything, and then it uninstalls whatever the packages it has uninstalled. See, the following packages will be removed. These are the packages which where it has already installed. Now it is removing all these packages. It's very simple. So this is how we want to install and uninstall a package using Conda. So once you are installing, whatever you are installing, that particular package will be stored in your Anaconda repository. That will be in your users. For example, I will show you that. You can go to your local disk C, and where it is like a user. In this user, you'll be able to see Anaconda 3, where I have already installed this Anaconda repository. So in this repository, you'll be able this particular package, NumPy package, will be installed. So if you want, you can go and you can cross check it from the search NumPy. Thanks everyone. I hope this video is helpful for everyone.